Hey guys, this is Shirish and you are on Bonsai and Gardening Zone. And this video is about how to grow huge and organic cabbages in containers. How to take proper care of cabbages. Also, I'll explain about soil, fertilizer and pest control for cabbage plants. I'll share full growth updates of 4 months right from seeding to harvesting. So keep watching this video to learn how to grow huge cabbages in containers successfully. All that is coming up. Guys, growing vegetables in containers is a great idea if you are short on space. I have a small terrace garden where I grow all seasonal vegetables in containers. I love to grow cabbage every year because they are really easy to grow and care. But can you grow cabbages in a pot? Of course you can. Growing cabbages in containers is super easy. So let's get started. Today I am going to grow this hybrid variety of cabbage seeds. Hybrid seeds gives better result and also genetically prone to many diseases. You should start seeds in seedling tray. To make best seedling mix, you need vermicompost 60%, coco peat 30%, perlite or river sand 10%. Now make the mixture moist and mix it well. Now fill it in seedling trays. Sow 2 to 3 seeds in every section. Now make a thin layer of mix on the seeds. Keep your tray in shade and always keep it moist. After 6 days, almost 90% seeds has been germinated. Now I'll keep the seedling tray under semi-shade and let them grow bigger. After 13 days, seedlings grew 3 to 4 true leaves. Now I have removed all weaker seedlings and left only strongest one in every section. After 20 days of seeding, our seedlings has become around 4 inch tall with 5 to 6 leaves. Now they are ready to be transferred to containers. Always choose seedlings with thickest and straight stalk to ensure healthy and huge cabbage. Cabbage can thrive in any well-drained and nutrient-rich soil. To make best potting soil for cabbage, you need garden soil 60%, vermicompost or cow dung compost 20%, sand 20%. Also add 1 fistful of bone meal and 1 fistful of neem cake powder, which is an organic fungicide. You should grow cabbages in big pot or container to get big cabbages, as its roots grows really dense and needs a lot of space to thrive. Cabbage plants can get huge, growing as high as 1.5 feet and nearly same wide. If you closely plant saplings, cabbage heads will be really smaller. Grow only one plant in a medium-sized 12-inch pot. But if container is bigger like this 14-inch long, 21-inch wide and 15-inch deep container, you can grow 2 plants with a distance of at least 1 feet. I made this planter out of fruit crate. I have made a separate video on how to make big planters out of scrap. To watch that video, click on the I button showing on top of the screen. As I've got lot of saplings, so I'll also grow some of them in this 12-inch growing bag. After 2 months, cabbage plants has grown lot of leaves. Small cabbage head is also forming in the center. Guys, this is the result after 3 months. Cabbage heads has now become bigger and leaves covered entire container. It's been 4 months since germination. And as you can see, these cabbages has grown to really big size. After 5 months, cabbages has achieved huge size and cannot grow more bigger. So now I'm going to harvest these fully grown cabbages. You can tell if it is ready if the cabbage is hard and solid. Do not overgrow your cabbage. If you overgrow it, pressure from internal growth will cause the head to split like this. Cabbage plants needs to be fertilized every month. For best results, you should fertilize plants with any organic compost 2 fistful per square feet once every month. I have made a separate video on how to make compost at home with kitchen waste. To watch that video, click on the I button showing on the top. Guys, cabbages are extremely vulnerable to pests. You should check your plants, especially under the leaves, time to time. The main pests of cabbage includes maggots, worms, moth, caterpillar and beetles. They can be easily controlled by spraying neem oil. Mix 5 ml neem oil in 1 liter of water and spray it twice a month. Cabbage plant require frequent watering. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Avoid overwatering from top of the plant. The best time to start cabbage seeds is between July to November. Grow cabbage in full sun for best results. If you grow it in shade, you will only get leaves. Place the container where it gets maximum sunlight during the day. So guys, how did you like this video? Please share your views and queries in comment section. Well guys, that's all for now. Hope you find this video helpful. Please like, share and comment on this video in comment section. Consider subscribing this channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching and keep on gardening.